Hey people on Facebook and YouTube, this is Chris. Yeah, I'm gonna go dance on the roof in the rain. Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's out here and it's raining. I'm extremely bored out here. So yeah guys, it's raining out here. Nothing new. And I am extremely cold. Yeah. I'm okay. So. So yeah guys, it's really wet out here. Yeah. If anyone wants to see my house, actually, I'll show you it later. Oh crud, I'm getting wet. It's depressing, my hair is really dry. Yeah. I'm on. Yeah! All over again. Oh, crud. Wow, this is cold. Yeah, I can go pretty far out here. Oh, crud. Oh, wow, I'm really wet. Wow. 1 second. This is just from falling backwards. I'm extremely not smart. Eee. Yeah, so basically this is my backyard. Crud, it's cold out here. Then over there are some other houses. Levi lives over there. Bethany lives down there. Natalia lives over here, over there. Lara lives right next door to me. I'm so cold. I'm not gonna stay. I can't stay a moment. Yeah, and I can't believe this is actually going this far. This is my Logitech camera. It's going up pretty far. See, I'm gonna go back inside, guys. Yeah, wait, I gotta go in. Wait, I'm gonna show you how I exactly get in. I climb through my window. My handy dandy window right here. There's my laptop. Hey, look. Yeah, I was listening to Kiss Me Through the Phone by Soulja Boy Telmo. Really good song. We are great. And I made it in, guys. Oh yeah, I'm in. Woohoo! So yeah, guys, on Facebook, just comment, rate, wait, on YouTube, comment, rate, and subscribe. And on Facebook, just be my friend. Yeah. Bye-bye.